So in this Pages tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to insert an interactive chart here inside of the Pages application. So the first thing you have to do is open up a Pages document. Once that is done, just for this example, I'm going to go to the top here and search up and type in interactive chart. So if you want to add sort of a fun chart, maybe not a 2D chart or a 3D chart, but more so an interactive chart, here's how to do that. Go to the top, press on chart right here, and where it says interactive right here, press on that, make sure it's highlighted blue. And as you can tell right here, there actually is a whole bunch of different chart options of your choosing. So if you just want this one right here to make it an interactive chart, what you can actually do now is with this bar, you can kind of change it between, June for this example, May, April, and sort of see the changes in regards to your interactions. And if you want to change the data, go to edit chart data right here. You can sort of change it the way that you're looking for May, June, and July. You can also go to the right here, change the colors. You can change the font. You can get creative, do whatever you have to do. It is your chart after all. So what this basically means is taking like a basic 2D chart, but adding more of an interactive feel to it. So if you're doing like a presentation or whatever, you can sort of see the changes over time without having multiple different charts spread it out all over your page. So super simple, super straightforward. This is how to insert or how to add an interactive chart inside of your document here on the Pages application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.